Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to make music using AI. It doesn't matter whether you know music, you are a music producer, or you are in choir. It doesn't matter at all. If you don't have any music background, don't worry. On this edition, you are going to learn how to create music. Yes, you can create music for your brand. You can create instrumentals for your brand. You can just anything at all you want to create. Whether you want to become an artist, you can also do that. It's free of charge. I'm going to show you all that. If you are new to this my channel, kindly subscribe so that you get other juicy contents that are coming. This year 2026 is loaded with a lot of content that you can't resist. Okay, so you are going to learn AI with me. If you are ready, subscribe, like, and share to like mine so that they can also partake in what we do. Without further ado, let us go into what we are doing here. So what we are going to use to create this music is Suno AI. So go to your browser or go to Google your app store and download the app Suno AI. Download it on your phone or just go to your Google Chrome, your browser, and type the URL suno.com. Okay, if you have gotten that, then we just need to go around the interface. As you can see here, we have the lyrics. Here is where we can type the lyrics, and here is where we'll tell you the style of music we want to do. Like with this AI, you can generate any kind of music, any genre of music you want. Then if you just look at here, you see it's suggesting to you some kind of songs that you want to make. You can tell it to make only instrumentals for you and all that. And here is the title of the song. Then we have more advanced feature. You can say, okay, I want it to be a male vocalist, so it's a male that's going to sing the song. Okay, so now we don't have a lyrics. What we need to do is to head to our ChatGPT, where we are going to generate the lyrics. Don't worry, don't rack your head over generating these lyrics. ChatGPT is going to do it for us. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write us a Niger dance song about a celebration. Okay, New Year celebration. So let's say, write me a lyrics for a New Year celebration song. Now write it in pidgin, in Niger pidgin, for an Afro beat song. So this song is going to be an Afrobeat. Okay, so we hit enter and it's going to write us the lyrics. Okay, so this is it. If we don't want any part, we can take it away. Like this chant or spoken, we can take it away. New year, new levels, and all that. So he's still writing the song for us. As you can see, he's writing the verse, he's writing chorus, everything. So we can just copy. So let's see. Okay, it's done. So I'm just going to copy everything here. Copy from the year. Okay, copied up until the outro. Okay, so this is the outro. I'll copy it here, and then all right, so I'll just head back to my Suno AI and then paste it the lyrics here. And just on this style, I'm not going to do more thing. I'm just going to tell it make an Afrobeat song. So you can tell it the tempo. That's the speed. Tempo is 10. Let's say 100. Okay, 100 beats per minute. Okay, so once you've told it that, the name of the song should be New Year. Let's just give it New Year, and then that is all. We just hit on create, and if you look up here, you see that it will soon add up to start creating. Here are the list of songs I've created here already. So let's scroll back up so that you see. Just give it a time. It is creating already, and it's finishing up. You see it created 2 tracks for us, and these 2 tracks are different. So we're going to play them to see how they sound. Yes, the number 1 track is getting set, and the second one is now getting set as well. So when they load, we are going to play them so that you hear how they sound. Yes, you can use your headphone so that you get the clearer picture, or just do it because the my mic my sound system might not be as clear as your own. So if you are playing it directly from your own aux or from your speaker, it's going to be very loud. So let me start playing. It's still loading, but we can play from now.
Yeah. Now new year be this, so we don't cross over. No looking back. New year, new levels, new grace we dey see. Last year don't pass, na better thing we dey meet.
So that is track one. I hope track one is making sense. Okay, so we are going to play the second one so that you see how it goes as well. This is track two.
Yeah. The new year be this, so we don't cross over. No looking back. New year, new levels, new grace we dey see. Last year don't pass, na better thing we dey meet. Pop champagne.
Okay, so this is how to make your music. Now, I just showed you how to make Afrobeat. There are some details that are, involved in this. Like if you want to make some kind of music, you want to change the tempo, you want to add special effects in some places, you want to add some reverb, you want to add some breaks. I'm also going to teach you all those ones as well. But for now, this is what you need to do. After getting your song like this, as you can see, it gets you the song cover. You can edit it, change it. You can do that. If you want to download your song, click on this three icon here and then scroll down to download, and you see click on this download button. It will bring you here, download, and the song is downloading. So after downloading, you can go and place it anywhere. You can use your video editing softwares, work magic on it, put overlay picture, export it to MP4 and upload it to YouTube. And when you have a lot of viewers, of course, you know what it is. YouTube is going to pay you money for that. So it's downloaded already, as you can see. So that is how you can make a professional music using AI. It's just simple. I'm going to bring you in next videos how to make some genres of music. For example, if you want to make an R&B, if you want to make a Christian song, how you want it to sound so that your Christian song will not sound like a worldly music. All those things I'm going to be teaching you how to use AI. In case you have not subscribed, subscribe now so that you can get juicy AI tools from me. Yes, I'm teaching you all these things for free, and you have to learn ahead with me. Thank you so very much for watching, and I want to see your music. Once you produce your music, come to the comment section and share the link. Maybe it's your YouTube channel. Share the link for me so that I can go and listen to the song on your YouTube channel. If you upload it to AudioMac, do the same. Share it with me. Let me go and listen to what you have made. Congratulations once again. And to add, with this AI tool, you can make 10 songs in a day. Yes, you can make 10 songs in a day. Now, I just made 2 now. This new year, it gave us 2 versions. So one could be the main one, and the other one could be the remix. Yes. So that's how it works. You just publish them on every platform and begin to earn your money. Thank you so very much for watching. Remember, share and like, and come back again for the next video.